Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that has been puzzling people for a long time. What would happen if everyone on Earth jumps at the same time? Would it cause any significant changes to our planet, or would it be just a fun experiment? In this video, we will dive deep into the science behind jumping, the physics of gravity, the Earth's structure, and what potential effects this mass jumping could have. So, let's get started. The science of gravity and the Earth's structure. To understand what would happen if everyone on Earth jumps at the same time, we need to first understand the science of gravity and the Earth's structure. Gravity is the force that attracts two objects towards each other. The Earth has a gravitational pull that keeps us grounded and prevents us from floating away into space. But did you know that the strength of gravity varies depending on your location on Earth? This is because the Earth is not a perfect sphere, it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This means that gravity is slightly stronger at the poles and weaker at the equator. The physics of jumping. Now that we understand a bit about gravity, let's talk about the physics of jumping. When you jump, you push down on the ground, and the ground pushes back up on you. The force that you push down with is equal to the force that the ground pushes back up with. This force is what propels you into the air. The potential effects of everyone jumping. So what would happen if everyone on Earth jumps at the same time? Well, the first thing to note is that the force generated by everyone jumping would be enormous. If we assume that there are about 7.8 billion people on Earth, and that the average person weighs about 62 kilograms, then the total force generated would be around 4.8 times 10 to the 11 newtons. To put that into perspective, that's about the same force as a magnitude 7 earthquake. Now, let's talk about the real-life implications of everyone jumping at the same time. Would it cause any significant changes to our planet? The answer is no. While the force generated by everyone jumping is massive, it's still not enough to cause any significant changes to the Earth's orbit or rotation. The Earth is just too big and massive to be affected by a single jump. However, there could be some localized effects. For example, if everyone in a city jumped at the same time, it could create a seismic wave that could potentially damage buildings or infrastructure. But the likelihood of this happening is low, and the force generated would still be relatively small compared to natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes. In conclusion, the idea of everyone jumping at the same time is a fun thought experiment, but it's not something that would cause any significant changes to our planet. The force generated would be massive, but it's still not enough to affect the Earth's orbit or rotation. So next time someone asks you what would happen if everyone on Earth jumps at the same time, you can tell them that it's just a fun idea that wouldn't cause any harm to our planet. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. And as always, the full video is available on my channel, with more details and visuals. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.